Alright, we are going to continue doing in this book. Alright, we are going to continue our work in this book, the course book. Alright, we are going to continue the work in the course book, page 90. Alright, so we just drew the perpendicular lines in and the parallel lines in our exercise book. We just drew it, okay? This is the thing, you just drew it. Alright, now continuing in this book, we are going to continue doing the work in the course book. Alright, so look at the number 1. Find the perpendicular line and the parallel line in these pictures. Now the first picture is of a gate. Now which are the perpendicular lines in this gate? So the lines that meet at right angles. Okay, this line. Look at this line. These two lines. They are perpendicular. These two lines. This line and this line. They are perpendicular. Okay. Now what about parallel lines? Can you see this little lines in the middle of the gate? They run opposite each other. Alright. They are running parallel. Same thing in the chessboard. The lines at the corners, the two lines are perpendicular. All these lines are perpendicular. What about the parallel lines? Parallel lines are the two opposite lines. These two lines. This line and this line is parallel. Same thing for the notebook, and then for the window, for the flag, and for the floor tiles. So remember, perpendicular lines are lines which meet, two lines that meet. Now look at this. This is a right angle. Okay. So this line is perpendicular to this line. Alright. Same way this line is perpendicular to this line. Alright. And two lines which do not meet and run opposite each other are called parallel lines. So these two are parallel. Opposite lines. This two and this two are parallel. And this one is perpendicular to this one. So perpendicular lines join one another. Alright, they join at right angles. Alright. Now, moving to the next page, we are going to do in the course book. There is no need to draw the picture. We will just do in the course book. Alright. For each figure, place a tick in the box. Alright. So the first figure is a triangle. Now, does it have any perpendicular line? Now, if you look at the triangle, if you look at it carefully, you are not sure whether the line is perpendicular. Means do the two lines meet at right angle? Now, I'm going to put the paper. You remember the paper I made earlier to check whether the line, whether it's perpendicular or no? So I'm going to put the paper and see. Now the trick of putting the paper is you must put it against each line. So I'm going to put it here. Alright. Now if you look over here, when I put this line against this line at the bottom, the second line, where does it go? Does it go straight? No, it is going in. That means this angle is not a right angle. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to turn the book and check this line. Alright. Now when I put the line, when I put the paper here, alright, when I put the paper here, where does the line go? Does it go straight up? No, it is going in, as you can see. So this angle is also not a right angle. Now moving to the last line or the last side. Now you see when I put the paper, yes, it is a right angle. You can see it goes exactly straight. Can you see? This is straight. This line is straight. That means this is a right angle. This is a right angle. As you can see, I have put a right angle mark. So what we need to do is we need to tick the first box. Alright. So this is how you check a right angle. Alright, does it have any parallel lines? No. All the lines are joining each other. In a triangle, there are no parallel lines. You must remember this. In a triangle, there are no parallel lines. Okay, the next figure is a rectangle. Now remember, in a rectangle, I told you there are 4 right angles. So yes, in a rectangle, all the 4 angles are right angles. So they are perpendicular lines. This is perpendicular to this. This is perpendicular to this. Alright? And does it have any parallel lines? Yes, these 2 lines are parallel to one another. So yes. Okay? Now in this, see, are there any perpendicular lines? Now I'm going to try with my paper again. Alright, I put my paper like this. Is it straight? No, it's not straight. Then I put the paper against this side of the four-sided figure. You can see it doesn't go straight. It is jutting out the line, so it's not a right angle. So this figure has no perpendicular lines. Does it have parallel lines? Yes. These 2 lines are parallel to these 2 lines. Yes. These 2 are parallel, these 2 are parallel. Okay? Now, same thing over here. D. Are there any perpendicular lines? No, because if I place my right angle measurement device, there is no perpendicular line. You look, the line is going inside. Are there any parallel lines? Yes, these 2 lines are parallel. These 2, this one and this one is parallel. So you put a tick. Okay, now go to the next page. Go to page 95. Page 95. You can draw a line over here so that we can write the answer. Okay? Now, which of the following pairs of lines are perpendicular? Now, if you look at A, are these 2 lines meeting at a right angle? Is this a right angle? Yes. So, A. Alright? Now, this one. Is this a right angle? No, it's not a right angle. Okay, moving to C. Is this a right angle? Yes, C is a right angle. Okay, so you can write C. Then, D. Is it a right angle? Now you will tell me, teacher, the line is not joining. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to join the line to see if it will meet the second line at a right angle. So look, I've joined the line. Alright, I've joined the 2 lines. Now, is this a right angle? Yes. So, D. So, the answer for this one is A, C, D.